Parabellum Beats.
Going in the cup. What you looking like, bro? Yeah, it's coming in, huh? You gotta turn it that way a little bit.
I know you about ready for this thing to Alright.
With the ARC in the house and the C-stand for cash money!
Oh,
Rail, you stupid boy! Rail in the house when the wheels are still! That's what Rail do, Rail when the wheels are still on it, yeah!
Oh, man.
We open up and have some fun around here.
That's all we do.
All it is. Fun in the house!
Oh yeah.
We come to work to have fun. We don't come to work nothing else to have, but the only way you can have is what? Have money.
What if they ain't got no money?
Yeah, I was saying right there, you ain't got no damn money, you ain't had no fun. Those are broke motherfuckers, they sad as shit. Well, what happened was we thought we was ready to get to the next level. But as I was grinding down, I found a little issue. And the issue was somebody had put a piece of metal in there and they shouldn't have been put in at that moment. What it needed to be is straight. And the way that you have to straighten this, you have to shrink the metal to bring it back into the shape and form. This is what I got going on right here. I have to put some heat on this situation and raise the metal up. After I raise the metal up, then I'll put some cold water on to shrink it. Somebody didn't do the proper body work on this vehicle, and we need to stretch the metal back into shape. That's all I'm saying.
That's all you're saying.
That's all I'm saying. Then you put a little water on there. Woo! You see that there? Right now, we shrinking the metal and putting the metal back into shape right now.
Everybody keep asking, dang man, when the dog gonna be done? When the dog gonna be done? All y'all doing was painting it up, wrong, taking it all the way through, baby, all the way through. Now this is a step that a lot of people actually miss, getting these wheel wells together. Normally, you know, everybody leaves overspray and all that stuff in there, but you gotta come back with the black, baby. Gotta black it out. Gotta black it out. This is stuff that went shows right here. All the way through. Remember I said we was doing the floors and undercoating the car? This is what I'm talking about. Taking it all the way, taping it up, make sure everything is nice and neat and done right. This is the stuff that doesn't get done in 3 weeks. We can do it in 3 weeks, but it ain't gonna be right. But then again, if it ain't gonna be right, we ain't gonna do it. Hey, y'all see?
trying to get the big
Man,
guns
where you
going.
get this old prehistoric
Man,
block?
let me tell you one thing. You ain't got a tool nowhere in town that can beat this.
Oh,
I'm
yeah?
telling you right now. If you can't lay the side down way free with this, you need to pack your bags and get out of Dodge and stay out of Dodge.
So what happened to that hole? What happened to that hole that was right here?
Oh yeah, you already know. Hey, just call me the Invisible Man. All I gotta do is just snap and it's gone. And guarantee it's gone.
So
That's
what? So what about everybody gonna say? Well, all they did,
Oh,
look, I know they gonna say all they did was fill it with mud.
Nah, well you already know. Look. Just try to put the magnet on it. Alright, see what was happening before was the door wasn't lining up correctly because of the striker was out too far and the hinges was not properly seated. In order for you to seat them, shut the door and close the door and make sure you got all your I's dotted and all your T's crossed. When you hear it click, you know it's right.
Oh, you threw this shit.
This start looking like a Cadillac, man.
What you had to do to it?
Oh yeah, well you know, the first thing first, I had to take this filler off and get that bolt that was run off in the cowl panel. I had to re-thread that because that is broke off.
So everything else lined up.
Once you get the cowl panel lined up, you can line everything else up.
Right.
If you ain't got this on, see that's why dude gave up. Dude rolled that motherfucking bolt off and he just quit.
That's why it's crooked. That's why
it's crooked. You see that? Now that shit gotta be lined up right there. I gotta do the body work. I gotta finish it off. But right now, we looking damn good, dog. We looking so motherfucking good, dog. It's almost ready for some paint. Boy, you had a motherfucker hating our ass.
Oh man.
They gonna hate us, man. But tell you, dog, it's coming right now. The motherfucker gonna hate us, man. I got a good angle.
Hey, y'all see off the late night. You see what it is. 75 vert. Glassed out. Look at that. Good gracious. The whole time it ain't even all the way clean. Can you see that little? See, it's not even all the way clean. But it's clean though. Oh my goodness. Sandman trim. You see it. Santis 26s, you know, donk type stuff. Oh man. Should I let the people know who car this is? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. God damn, he in the camera anyway, man.
God damn.
Stick, man, what's up, baby?
What's up, man?
What's up, man? We out here, man. What's up? What's up, man? It's late, man.
It's late.
It's late.
I appreciate the good work.
Oh, yeah, man.
Solid work.
Yeah, man.
I love it.
That's what it is. Tank out here.
I'm Motorsports.
That's what it is. We out here. Jerry got his work cut out for him now. All that other stuff was minor.
No, I'm trying to tell y'all right there. The crab boss, they checked me down. I done looked at the Titanic, and I think I can't goddamn it raise this motherfucker up. This motherfucker so goddamn bad down in the sea. I don't even know if I can goddamn swim now. That's why. Man, I don't know where the hell you get this from, but goddamn.
You said don't buy another one.
Man, this